Well, I got my airline hooked. Rita, get over here. Come on. Hey, come on. Rita. Get over here. Get up there. You're a bad dog, Rita. Patch is a good boy. Come on. All right. Now we got... Hey, get up there. Go on. Go on. Now that we got that taken care of. Yeah. All right. She likes wandering off while I start working. So we're just going to take that tire off, put this tire back on. I got a flat tire coming home from Arizona. So it was an inside tire, so I took it off. Because see that airline? It goes to my semi truck. So I can change tires right off my semi truck. Although you'll see I got to wait for air to build up. This isn't really the bar I usually use, but it'll work. This is a binder bar, a long binder bar. I gotta crawl under there and hit the jack a few more times. Damn it. Well, that was 3 good ones. So I got them all spun on there good enough to where I know they're started right, and then I put 2 of them to where the wheels indexed correctly. So I gotta go dig up the other ones. They're in the bottom of my chain box. So some people like to put both the valve stems together, but I like them opposite. So that's really the only thing you got to watch for. Except for I forgot to tighten up the bolts one more time because of the diminishing air supply. Come on, dogs. All right, that's it. Little tire action on the old ranch. Well, it's a new ranch, really. Well, sir, have a good one.